Welcome. In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll show you how to use Tessitura CRM step by step. We'll cover patron management, ticketing, fundraising, membership tracking, marketing tools, and reporting features so arts and culture organizations can manage operations more efficiently and strengthen audience engagement. Whether you work in a museum, performing arts center, orchestra, or nonprofit cultural institution, this guide will help you navigate Tessitura with confidence and improve your overall workflow. In the ever-evolving world of arts and culture, organizations are constantly challenged to deepen relationships with patrons, increase revenue, and streamline operations, all while staying true to their mission. Tessitura CRM was created to meet these specific needs. Built by a nonprofit cooperative of arts and culture institutions, Tessitura isn't just another CRM. It's a fully unified platform that combines ticketing, marketing, fundraising, and customer relationship management into a single powerful system. Whether you're a theater company trying to sell more subscriptions, a museum engaging donors, or a concert hall looking to understand your audience better, Tessitura is built with your goals in mind. With deep industry insight and a commitment to innovation, Tessitura has become the go-to system for hundreds of cultural organizations worldwide. This video explores the most essential features and benefits of Tessitura in 2025 and explains why it continues to be the gold standard for relationship-driven institutions. So for its key features and benefits, first is the United CRM with built-in ticketing. Tessitura's core strength is its integration of CRM and ticketing. Every customer interaction, whether a ticket purchase, donation, or survey response, is tied directly to a centralized constituent profile. This unified view allows for smarter, more personalized outreach and ensures all departments are aligned around the same data. Another key feature is the advanced subscription and membership management. Flexible tools let you manage fixed or flexible subscriptions, recurring memberships, and donor benefits with ease. You can automate renewal campaigns, tier-specific perks, and member communications. This encourages long-term loyalty, increases retention, and reduces manual administrative work across your team. Another key feature is the powerful fundraising and donor management. Tessitura supports the entire fundraising cycle from annual giving and major gifts to capital campaigns and grants. Customizable workflows help development teams toward donors at every stage. This increases gift conversion and allows fundraisers to build deeper, more strategic donor relationships. Another key feature is the marketing automation and segmentation tools. Use Tessitura's built-in tools or integrate with platforms like Prospect2 to segment your database based on behaviors, demographics, and giving patterns. You can automate campaigns across multiple channels. So this boosts campaign efficiency and effectiveness by delivering highly relevant content to each audience segment. Another key feature is the custom dashboards and real-time reporting. From ticket sales trends to fundraising performance, Tessitura's reporting engine and dashboards provide actionable insights. Customizable views make it easy for teams to track KPIs. This supports data-driven decision-making at all levels of your organization, from frontline teams to executive leadership. So why is Tessitura a great choice? Tessitura isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a platform purpose-built for mission-driven institutions that prioritize relationships over transactions. Its structure reflects the complexity of and nuance of the cultural sector, allowing teams to manage both the art and business behind it with clarity and purpose. What makes Tessitura particularly special is the community behind it. As a nonprofit cooperative, Tessitura is guided by its member organizations, ensuring that product development aligns directly with user needs. This results in a system that evolves with the industry, not ahead or behind it. Furthermore, the collaborative spirit within the Tessitura network provides unmatched support. From annual conferences and workshops to peer-to-peer idea sharing and robust documentation, your organization is never alone. You're part of a larger ecosystem working to grow audiences, foster generosity, and strengthen the cultural fabric of communities. So whether you're a small community arts center or a national performing arts institution, Tessitura empowers your team to work smarter, connect deeper, and thrive long term. So basically, Tessitura is more than just a software. It's a trusted partner in your organization's journey to create meaningful cultural experiences and cultivate stronger relationships with your audience. It brings together the tools needed to run complex operations while remaining intuitive and adaptable enough to meet the needs of teams of all sizes. So in 2025 and beyond, as organizations embrace digital transformation and increase demand for personalized experiences, Tessitura provides the foundation to stay connected, organized, and impactful. With its combination of CRM, ticketing, marketing, and fundraising all in one platform, it enables cultural organizations to serve their patrons with care and precision. So if you're looking to unify your operations, understand your audience on a deeper level, and empower your team, thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Tessitura CRM to manage patrons, optimize ticketing, and enhance fundraising and engagement efforts within your organization. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials on CRM systems, nonprofit tools, and arts management software. If you have any questions or would like a deeper dive into specific features, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.